Buffalo, so I could have chosen many dentists between here and Buffalo, but I really wanted a local dentist. The first thing I wanted to do was come in for a cleaning to see how that went, because that gives you a good indication of what the office people are like, because that's a big important part of any office, and what he was like. And I've had a great experience every single time I've been in here. So I've been coming to this dentist for a long time, and he came to the conclusion that I needed an implant. The tooth had to come out, and I didn't want to leave it open. I'm too young to have a tooth gone. I really wanted to have something done, and he had told me about the implant procedures that they had started here. It seemed like a good process. I have to be honest, it was pretty painless. Because when you think of something like they talked about what was going to happen, you're always thinking, oh my gosh, there's going to be so much pain, and I got to make these appointments on Friday, so I'm home 2 days before I have to go to work. And actually, it was a pretty painless procedure each time. I am looking forward to seeing what the end result's going to be. I'm sure it's going to be wonderful. I'm looking forward to having something that's going to be permanent, and I'm not going to have any more problems with that area at all. He knows what he's doing, and I appreciate that. I would recommend Dr. Kaplansky to anyone who is looking to have any dental procedure or maintenance done. I just don't think they would end up going anywhere else. This is a top-notch office.